Welcome back to Auto Octane. Today, we're diving into a modern resurrection of an absolute icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, the name that once defined elegance and charm in the VW lineup is making a bold return, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a masterclass in blending nostalgia with innovation. The sleek, curvy silhouette pays tribute to the original Coupe's Italian-designed aesthetics, but everything else screams modern-day refinement. It's lower, wider, and more sculpted, sitting on Volkswagen's advanced MEB platform, the same one used in the ID series of electric vehicles. And yes, you heard that right, it's electric. The new Karmann Ghia doesn't rely on air-cooled engines anymore. Instead, it's powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system producing around 300 horsepower. That means instant torque, a 0 to 60 time in under 5 seconds, and a driving range of up to 350 miles on a full charge. So it's not just about looking pretty, it performs, too. Inside, Volkswagen has taken a minimalist yet premium approach. A floating touchscreen controls most of the car's functions, while sustainable materials, ambient lighting, and retro-inspired design elements create a cabin that feels both futuristic and familiar. There's a digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, and even an optional glass roof that stretches from front to back. But the Karmann Ghia isn't just a nostalgic badge slapped on a modern shell. Volkswagen says it's a celebration of timeless design with a purpose. The original was never about raw power, it was about the experience, the lifestyle, and the art of driving. This new version captures that same spirit in a way that appeals to both classic car lovers and EV enthusiasts. With production expected to start in late 2025, the 2026 Karmann Ghia could become a halo car for Volkswagen's electric future. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but it's likely to sit between the ID.4 and the Audi Q4 e-tron, making it an attractive proposition for those looking for a stylish, zero-emissions coupe that stands out in a sea of sameness. So what do you think? Has Volkswagen nailed the return of the Karmann Ghia, or are they taking a risk reviving a classic name in an all-electric format? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update here on Auto Octane.